Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of time, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis a whole bunch of times last week, and as long as the interest and popularity remains high on it and I keep getting questions, I will continue to keep that chart updated. Although not a whole lot of new things to update from the videos I did last week, other than just kind of confirmation that the bulls are continuing to make progress and the chart is taking shape in a very nice way. When I say the bulls are continuing to make progress, it really all revolves around the quote unquote boring price action today. Boring in the sense of, sure, the price wasn't making any sort of big moves up like it did here or anything like that, but it maintained. And while maintaining may not sound like a big deal, when the price gets, in this sort of kind of tight range here and the price continue to maintain and put in those higher lows, I mean, that it really is the name of the game. That makes things look that much more attractive. I mean, very easy way to look at that is if you kind of just look at where these lows have been. I mean, counting today, you have the maintaining of a very tight base right there, and then that low, and then that low, and then that one. And hopefully you're kind of getting the point is, sure, it's not exciting in terms of price exploding upwards, but I mean, the price is slowly just building these staircases closer and closer, in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. And mainly closer and closer to this key level of resistance, which I've been talking about in quite a few of the past videos. And that sits up there at about the $3.25 range. So that is still public enemy number one for the week, $3.25. But as it stands right now, the bulls are, like I said, inching their way up there. And the good news is it's not like the price has to travel a huge distance just to do battle with that level. Price barely has to travel any distance at all, and then it can start to do battle with that level. Whereas, I mean, right here, obviously if the price closed right there, it had to go all the way up there just to do battle with the level. But at this point, given that the price is just so close to it, as I pointed out right there, the bulls have a lot of things going for it. Going forward. So we'll see what happens with it, but that definitely not the most exciting way to start off the week, but a healthy way. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.